Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and once again we're going to be taking a look at the Value Charts Futures Live Trading Room Trades of the Day for Tuesday, May 28th. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. We had a very nice day for starting off the week. The first trade I want to talk about is a short that we had here in bonds. Now the reason we had this short is we were just trend following with a 1,000-tick chart. So if you look at your MQ trend, that was red, saying it was in a downtrend. Then you look at your MQ regression, that was also red, saying it was in the downtrend. So we had the okay to get short at overvalued. We had a couple different bounces here that would have had you short around 142 and 22 30 seconds, 142 and 20 30 seconds if you got in a little bit late or due to slippage. It still ended up selling off all the way from 42 and 22 30 seconds. It sold off about a point and a half down to the lows from those first two entry opportunities. Would have been a great trade because you would have only been risking about 3 to 4 ticks with your stop loss. Now the next opportunity that we pointed out in the trading room was right here where this market bounced up overvalued. Once again, downward MQ regression, downward MQ trend. So we had the okay to get short at overvalued. Ended up selling off from around 141 and 29 30 seconds. Again to a low of 141 and 9 30 seconds. So about 20 ticks there. Either way, great entry opportunity, great trade opportunity. Now, the next market I want to talk about that we had a great trade in, that we're still in now, potentially for a swing trade, is the short in the euro. Now, we had a short in the euro off of a 240-minute no return bearish divergence where we went moderately overvalued here, as you can see by the upper yellow bar segment of this bar. We barely broke above the previous highs from Friday with no upside momentum at all. So we had a weakening of momentum, moderately overvalued, higher high prices. We had the okay to go ahead and get short. That had a short all the way up around 1.2948. And you can see this market sold off, let's call it 1.295 for easier math. Sold off all the way from there down to a low so far of the day, 1.285. So about 100 ticks from the high to the low there that you could have had the ability to take out, risking, again, just a few ticks with your stop loss. So another great trading opportunity. Well, that's all that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps. I look forward to seeing everybody either tonight in the free webinar or tomorrow in the live trading room. And again, that's all I have for today. If you want to learn more about these indicators, feel free to go to valuecharts.com. And until next time, happy trading.